Just for fun, Gags.
Good evening, everyone present here for today's Just for Fun Gags. A warm welcome, guests, friends, backstage staff, and generous contributors, and all my brothers, sisters, and good cousins present here for the celebration of Solar Exploration 2020. We welcome you all by the clap of your golden hands. A big round of applause, please. I am privileged to extend my warm welcome to all fun-loving young ladies and gentlemen and our lovely kids. Our chief guest needs no introduction. He is popular around the globe, a 10-time Charlie Chaplin Comedy Award recipient. Now, I invite our chief guest to occupy his chair. Honorable sir, please occupy your royal chair. A warm clap, please. Today, we have two of the most talented and hilarious heroes, Professor Hardy and his assistant Laurel, to entertain and enlighten us on solar exploration. Give them a round of applause, please.
Welcome to the show. 3 cheers for our heroes.
Good evening, friends. I'm extremely delighted and honored to be part of the galaxy of fun-loving young people in the Upland Hall. It's an extremely joyful evening and I'm proud to be with you. Hi Laurel, how do you do?
I'm good.
You must be proud of my company.
You were quite normal until I saw you last. What happened in my absence?
I hail from a great family of lunar explorers.
I do too.
My grandparents landed on the moon even before Neil Armstrong did.
After all the moon, my grandparents have landed on the sun, planted a garden, and are waiting for harvest.
How could anyone land on the sun? It's very hot.
They know it's hot. That's why they chose the winter to land on.
When do they return? I must have an interview with them.
Probably in spring they return, but you cannot meet them. They will go quarantining for 365 days.
Why is such a long quarantine?
That's the government's order. Those who return from the sun stay isolated for 365 days.
Where will they stay?
There are 2 kinds of quarantines: paid quarantining and free quarantining. Paid quarantining is in one of the space labs. Free quarantining is in one of the planets close to Earth, preferably Mars.
How much do they have to pay for an overnight stay?
Very reasonably priced, just $10 per night.
And for food?
My grandma takes care of food. She's good at cooking.
How do they get provisions?
Online.
How fortunate your grandparents are. They can stay free on Mars. I would be pleased to know their means of transport. Governments have banned all travel services. How did they travel to the sun?
They hired a Solar X vehicle from Solar X Automobiles.
Oh, really? What kind of vehicle?
A mini solar auto. Government allows a driver plus 2 passengers in mini autos.
That's kind of the government. Can I talk to your grandparents?
You can, but you can't.
Why?
Unfortunately, they have left their mobiles here.
So you miss your grandparents a lot, don't you?
No, I don't. I get messages every night.
How?
Solar X has a built-in phototronic tracker on its roof. It automatically sends codes to the central computer at ground control, which decodes and monitors every movement. I see my grandparents working in the solar garden, walking around, taking baths, and eating fruits every day.
When do they return?
Sorry, I'm not so sure. They may stay there for some good time as they are afraid of returning to the earth for fear of COVID-19.
I'm scared of it too. When will Corona leave us?
It's waiting for the order of the governments across the world.
Why don't they pass orders to extradite Corona?
The ruling parties want to stay in power permanently. COVID-19 patronizes and protects them in power.
How?
Listen carefully. WHO has predicted this virus may stay. That means it may not go away. So there won't be any elections.
Your grandparents had better stay on the sun until the virus is controlled.
Yes, you're right. I must message them. Thank you for the advice.
Convey my regards to them. Bye.
Bye.
We meet after a break.